Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, I am in my favorite 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart. So let's do the analysis first. So if you look at the chart, then we can see that overall the market is in downtrend. Okay, there was some heavy selling pressure, and as we all know, though there was some selling pressure in the market, but for the last couple of weeks, market was trading in a tight range. And I have already explained the reason in my previous videos, where I have clearly explained, okay, why market failed to go down, and market is trying to hold this particular support level, because this support level belongs to the year 2017. Okay, so when market was falling in the year 2017, okay, this is the level from where market bounced, and right now market has bounced, or rather I'll try to say that, okay, right now market is trying to hold this support. Okay, and somewhat market is successful. Okay, market is successful in holding the support, because just look at the selling pressure. Okay, this selling pressure is there in the market for more than 1 year. Okay, and this is the level that has successfully successfully hold the support zone. Okay, so this level is quite important for us, because this is the level that is um, in front of us from the weekly chart from the year 2017. Okay, anyways, let's switch to the 4 hours chart and see what should be a strategy. Okay, so one thing we have understood, that this level is quite important for us, 1.2009. Okay, so in case market comes down and hit this particular level, okay, I'm not saying that market will come today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. In the future also, if you find USD CAD near this level, then just keep in mind that this is not a simple level. This is a support level from the weekly chart. This is a support level from the year 2017. Okay, as a result, okay, you'll get a good opportunity to go for a buy order. But keep in mind, okay, keep in mind, always look for confirmation, and without confirmation, do not trade. So in case market comes down and bounces from this particular level, you can go for buy order. Okay, so this is the first trading opportunity on this chart. Okay, but right now we can see that, okay, the current market price is far away from this level. Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos on USDCAD, and when I explained that you can go for a buy order once market crosses this level, and if you have purchased USDCAD and right now you're in a profit, then enjoy the profit, be on the trade. Okay, you do not need to come out. As long as market is trading above this 50 moving average, you do not need to come out of the trade. Okay, so enjoy the profit. Okay, and if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then you need to wait for some time, because see, overall the trend of the market is towards the downside in or the market is a downtrend, and as the thumb rule, we know that we should always look for shorting opportunity in the downtrend market. But the present trend of the market is telling us a different story. The present trend of the market is sideways, and right now it is in a mood of going upside, and we can see that market is making higher highs. Okay, so considering the higher highs, we can easily see the interest of the buyers in taking the price upward. Therefore therefore our main motive, okay, or the main target in this market should only be looking for buying order or the buying opportunities. Okay, so if we look at the 4 hours chart, then honestly speaking, there is not much available. Okay, right now we can see that stochastic RSI is also coming down. Okay, so in case market comes down and takes support at this level, okay, this particular low that it made, okay, then you may get a good buying opportunity at this level, or if market takes support at the 50 moving average, okay, 50 moving average is also going up. So in case market takes support at the 50 moving average or the previous low, okay, then you may get a good buying opportunity here. Okay, so this level of 50 moving average, okay, in the 4 hours chart. Okay, so these are the only two safe levels for available to us to trade. Okay, but the 1 hour chart, okay, if we switch to the 1 hour chart, generally I do not talk much about the 1 hour chart, but yes, sometimes good opportunities are also available in the 1 hour chart as well. So if we switch to the 1 hour chart, then we can see that in the 1 hour chart it is kind of following a trend line as a support. Okay, so in your trading platform, or in a charting software, you can also switch to the 1 hour time frame and just draw a trend line like this. Okay, and considering the stochastic RSI and this trend line, so there is a good possibility that, okay, when market will come down to take a rest, when market will come down to cool off, then there is a possibility that market will take a rest and reverse from here. Okay, so when market will come down, okay, then just look at the price. Okay, just try to read the market emotion, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that prices come down and prices successfully taken support at this trend line, okay, this is a dynamic support, therefore I cannot give you the exact figure or exact value, so you need to draw this trend line in your charting software. So wait for the price to come down to take support at this support level, at this trend line. If you see that price has successfully taken support and it is about to bounce, or if you see some hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or price rejection from below, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this line or this trend line is seriously acting as a support or providing the support to USD CAD. Okay, and you can go for a buy order. Okay. So this is the trading opportunity or the best trading opportunity for me in the USD CAD chart right now. Okay, you can also trade on the 4 hours chart, but for the 4 hours chart is not much clear to us. Okay, to be honest, you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of the 4 hours time frame, but right now the 1 hour time frame looks kind of favorable. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.